welcome back to Keto Homestead with Jess. How's everybody doing? I'm so excited to announce that you guys, I filled out an application and I was accepted into the Master Gardner Volunteer of Ohio internship. Woo! I'm so excited. So I got my manual here. I just got the news just the other day, so super excited. Now I am new to the program, so I'm just learning. I have read the first chapter, which is the introduction that just basically gives the history of the Master Gardener's volunteer program, but I hope to give you some more updates as I learn more about this program. Now in previous years, I have attended the Master Gardener volunteer plant sales, and I do have a video of last year's plant sale, so if you want to check that out, I'll go ahead and link that up above somewhere so you can check it out. And I hope you stick around, follow my journey, and until next time, I hope you all stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye!